The next web tool I'd like to discuss is Quizizz. And I primarily use Quizizz to give students proficiency feedback and also as an assessment tool to see if student achievement is where I'd like it to be. So when you log into Quizizz, you can either create your own quizzes or you can search the library for any of a million different pre-made quizzes that are in the database. And when you launch it, it's essentially a game mode. So students can play, you can either start a live quiz, you can have them play in teams or individually, or you can assign it as a homework assignment. And it gives you the opportunity for students to compete against each other, which they find it fun and engaging, but also to give you a sense of their accuracy and correctness. When you assign for homework, you can look at reports. Now, when I assign it for homework, it's usually practice and it's not required. It's just additional options. And it gives students that immediate feedback about whether they're getting things correct or incorrect and if they need to come in for extra help. So I do like it. On the screen when they're actually engaged in an activity, it gives students an opportunity to see if they're right or wrong right away. If they're incorrect, it often gives them some redemption questions so they can try it again and maybe get a better understanding of what the expectation is. But again, I don't see this as on the high level of Bloom's taxonomy. This is more the assessment and evaluate, more basic type of problems.